The word Panagatan is a Cebuano dialect that means a fishing ground or a fish catching site. After an exhausted travel from Zamboanga Sibugay, I met my vlogger friends Junrys Gadag and Dion the Explorer, both based in Cagayan de Oro City, for lunch and suggested me to try a seafood restaurant nearby. I haven't tried this place before, thinking for a unique food experience, craving also to eat seafood these days, I'll have to try a different setting of a restaurant where I could see the ocean view. So we tried to scout the place in Opol, Misamis Oriental, where this seaside restaurant is located. After we disembarked from the vehicle, I then took some shots of the place. The western part of the restaurant were obviously the location of the sunset, which we have missed to take some shots since we have to leave as Dion the Explorer is still on duty. One of their specialty menu, the tuna kinilaw mix with shrimps and salted eggs. When I tasted their specialty, it tastes good and it is unique from other restaurants that I have been. What made the food unique is the mixture of raw shrimps and the salted egg. You can really taste the sweetness of freshness of the seafoods you eat. This is a favorite food for Japanese, Taiwanese, or even the Korean people. I am now pretty sure that this will be my new menu for a family date in my next visit. We also tried the buko seafood sinigang. It is a sour soup, but very unique than usual sinigang as it has the young coconut meat and water and served inside the buko or the coconut fruit. It was really tasty and perfect for a starter. We also ordered the ampalaya or bitter gourd salad with it, which I truly love. I don't taste the bitterness of the ampalaya, but it was sour and sweet. It was really perfect. Other than that, we also tried the beef bicol express, which is my less favorite, and the lechon kawali, which was super crispy and tasty. The only down part of the experience is the portion of the food that was served, which was smaller than any other restaurants that I have been in the Philippines. The service was excellent and the price was also fair for the food that we have ordered. Again, the restaurant is located in Opol, Misamis Oriental. Opol is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Misamis Oriental in the Philippines. According to the 2007 Philippine census, it has a population of 47,187 people, and the municipality is gradually becoming more urbanized as a result of local population growth and expansion of the nearby Cagayan de Oro City. Historically, Opol was a more rural area focused on agriculture and fishing.